my god. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W. Pam, 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 pam.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever.
Hello friends, good morning. I am going to make a new video on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Huh? Huh?
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
please subscribe. Huh?
Wait lang oh.
Green color, contact lens.
Wait lang, kala ko Peter boy. Bag namin ito, nandun pa.
Container pa. And then we can put
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Sobrang solid kagabi. Diba? Hindi. Kami na, buong araw hindi pumasok. Bente, wag na pala. Walang pinasukan natin. Thank you. Papasok, pre. Papugi na. Ray! Kami na. Ano, dalawang araw na pala ako papugi. Sino na? Kami na. Ano kami? Oh, tanong mo siya. Ba't yung tinira? Oh, prepare kayo sa'yo, pre. Kahit ano dyan sa dalawa, yan. Mga stripes, tirahin mo. Yung 15. Uy, saan ba? Ba't isa lang? Isang pan lang. Oo, doubles nga eh. Professional game, nakarang. Ba't dalawa sa inyo? Anong dalawa? Dalawa. Kuys.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Okay na. Oh? Meron pa.
green ba?
Hey bro.
Oh my God! Ayos ba, Green? Ayos ba? Ganda ba?
Good quality.
Quality. Order na kayo! Sapa kayo!
Through the great pencil bowl, Lawrence Lim got a million stories untold. From green jokes, conspiracies, and edits with flair. You gotta follow him, baby, if you dare. Your feed feels empty without his magic touch. You got the blues and the laughs that you crave so much. With a click and a follow, you'll find some relief. Lawrence Lim's social media, a digital belief. Click, subscribe, don't miss a trick. Now, hey, leave your worries and come on, click today. Lawrence Lim's got the content right in line. Follow him now.